What's going on, everybody? Early morning today. We're about to go up to the shop and get things started, so make sure you guys are following us along. Give you guys some cool tips, pointers, and tricks along the way. Still a little chilly up here in Ohio, so let's get this kerosene heater going. Just got out here to one of the job sites with the guys. See the other boss man, D'Angelo, over there. See Spence. We had to come to a job today. Had to get all the leaves from under the bushes. Trim all the bushes, top them. She didn't want the sides trimmed back too much. She just wanted the tops trimmed. This is what we're doing today, guys. Make sure you follow us along. I'll show you guys some more cool things. What's up, guys? Just getting back from another estimate. Been a busy day. Sorry I ain't had the phone with me as much. Make sure you guys are smashing that like button, following us along. What's up, guys? Trying to get done with the day. Had to bring a load to the city dump. We do haulaways and clean outs also, so make sure you guys are checking that out. What's going on, guys? Just cleaning out the trailer real quick. Got a big mulch job coming up tomorrow. So I had to haul some garbage just a little bit ago. So now I'm cleaning out the dump bed, and we got a pretty big mulch job going on tomorrow. It's probably gonna take me a couple days, but I'm definitely gonna make a video of it. So make sure you guys are following along and checking it out. And I can't wait to be mowing this summer, guys. Got another brand new V2. Got the one on the trailer there, got that one. We're ready to be out mowing this year, guys. So make sure you guys are liking, following, sharing. I appreciate every single one of you. Every single one of you guys.